Cette voix, mon soleil, mon réveil. Cette voix, ma légende, ma fierté. Une tradition de qualité. REBO, cette voix, mon bon café. REBO, le bon café. REBO, c'est la qualité.
REBO is a 40-year-old company. For the first 20 years, the company used to do a lot of export and a little bit of roasting for the local market. Then our priorities shifted. We became the market leader in coffee. For the past 20 years, we've held that position. And in that sense, roasting coffee became our first priority for the local market. REBO started realizing that in order for us to be in business with quality coffee, we need to have better alliances with the grower groups. So what we've been doing in the past few years is drafting actual formal protocols with the grower groups that we deal with. We're able to commit to them and tell them, okay, we're going to buy all your production, and in return we ask that you give us priority on your coffee, on your available coffee. What that does is that it gives them an assurance of income. They also offer them an opportunity to have, through REBO, possibilities of technical assistance, and that way coffee makes sense for a grower in Haiti. A grower in Haiti needs to know that if he produces a good coffee, he will get a good price, which has not been the case in the past. And this is what REBO stands for today. We are dealing with agronomists that we bring to the area, have sessions, formal sessions on training on how to plant the trees, how to prune the trees, the proper picking methods and everything. We also try to manage some of the logistics for them, making these things available right there in the areas where they're growing the coffee, rather than in Port-au-Prince where they usually have to come for those. I think coffee growers did not feel the impact as much as others in terms of direct destruction that the earthquake caused in other areas of the country. The area where we're located, even though it was pretty much affected, the whole Port-au-Prince area, at REBO, since it's a metallic structure, it's one of those industrial structures, we're very lucky. We didn't have much structural damages. In terms of employees, we did not have any losses either, and we were able to start over with our operations 3-4 weeks later. We were 100% up and running. Coffee is grown mostly in the mountain areas, very high, above 700-800 meters of altitude. The way that the growers were affected is indirectly. First of all, because for a while they were not able to come down to Port-au-Prince in order to sell their coffees, which is usually where they have most of the market. REBO doesn't want to be in the commodity level coffee trading. We want to be in the quality coffee trade. So we're looking mostly at the gourmet coffee sector for export, the specialty coffee sector for export. What we want is the most revenue per pound for the growers. We are today dealing with a very well-renowned company like Java Republic. We also have some perspectives on Canadian market. In Europe, we deal a little bit with France, we deal with Italy, and we just started dealing with Ireland. Most of these places are interested in quality, natural beans from Haiti. Japan has been a very good partner for Haiti also. They pay a very high price per pound. They're very, very demanding on quality, and we feel that there is a possibility for us to also keep business with Japan. Jamaica Blue Mountain has been able to reach the levels that it has specifically through its commitment with Japan. Today, the Japanese who are dealing with Haiti feel there is just as much potential, if not more potential, with Haiti's coffee. They say that it's the actual plants that came from Haiti that were transferred to Jamaica. So we could say we have the original.